Hey, are you tired of feeling like you're just barely getting by? Do you dream of financial freedom but aren't sure where to start? Well, I've got some shocking news for you. The truth about money is not what they teach you in school, and they definitely don't want you to know these 5 secrets. So get ready to have your mind blown, because in the next few minutes, I am gonna spill the beans on the 5 shocking money secrets they don't want you to know. So stay tuned, because each one is more eye-opening than the last. So without further ado, let's dive in. Secret no. 1. Everyone talks about compound interest, but most people only think of it in a basic savings account. The real secret: compounding applies to so much more than just your bank balance. It's about consistently reinvesting not just your earnings, but your skills, your network, and your knowledge. Each small investment, whether it's learning a new skill, building a relationship, or putting a small amount into a diversified investment, grows over time to create exponential returns in all areas of your life, not just your bank account. It's the silent wealth builder of both your finances and your future. So moving on to secret number 2, it's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and what you do with it. You often hear about high earners struggling financially while modest earners build significant wealth. The secret: wealthy people often live below their means, focusing on acquiring assets, things that generate income or appreciate in value, rather than accumulating liabilities that drain their cash. They understand that true wealth isn't about looking rich with fancy cars and big houses, but about building financial freedom by consistently putting money to work for them. Frugality isn't just for the poor, it's a powerful tool for the rich too. Alright, on to secret number 3. Your salary isn't your only path to wealth. The real secret: creating multiple streams of income, especially passive ones. Most people rely solely on their job, which is a single point of failure. Wealthy individuals actively build diverse income sources: rental properties, dividend stocks, online businesses, royalties, or even side hustles that generate income while they sleep. This isn't about making more money. It's about building resilience and freeing up your time, because your money starts working for you, not the other way around. Now for secret number 4, prepare to have your conventional wisdom challenged. The wealthy understand how to leverage good debt. They use borrowed money to acquire appreciating assets or invest in ventures that generate more income than the cost of the debt itself. Think business loans for expansion or a mortgage on a rental property. Understanding this distinction and using credit strategically is a huge differentiator between just getting by and truly building wealth. And finally, for secret number 5, this one's a game changer. The tax system isn't just something you pay. It's a tool that can be leveraged. The wealthy don't just pay taxes. They understand tax laws, deductions, and incentives to legally minimize their tax burden. This isn't about avoiding taxes, but about optimizing their financial structure, like owning businesses or investing in certain types of assets so that more of their earnings are retained and reinvested. They understand that it's not how much you make, it's how much you keep. Financial literacy around taxes can save you a fortune. And there you have it, the 5 shocking money secrets they don't want you to know. Remember, the true power to change your financial situation lies within your own mindset and knowledge. Don't let them keep you in the dark. Keep these secrets close and watch how they transform your relationship with money. Thank you for joining me on this eye-opening journey. If you found this knowledge valuable, don't miss out. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with those who need it most. Together we can break free from the financial limitations they try to impose on us. Stay tuned for more empowering insights, and until next time, keep these money secrets in mind. It's time to take charge of your financial future.